We will examine the intricate relationships that exist between the languages of science and our surroundings. I'm Faiza and we are going to Al Nahda Park in UAE today. We will examine how this location serves as a living textbook for scientific discoveries as we stroll across its natural surroundings. More than merely a park, Al Nahda Park is a beautiful space in the middle of the city. Stories about biology, physics, and earth sciences abound in this dynamic environment. We place a strong emphasis on experiential learning in early childhood education, and today we'll explore how science influences our daily lives. Pello claims that place-based learning promotes inquiry-based scientific thinking in children by helping them develop ties with the natural environment. The geology underneath us as we stand here is revealed by the sand and soil formations which reveal the temperature and history of the area. An excellent starting point for atmospheric research is the invisible particles that are present in the air we breathe. When we look up at the sky, we notice a constantly shifting patterns of clouds, which invites us to talk about the meteorology and the water cycle. Fellow emphasizes that by seeing patterns, forecasting changes, and comprehending interdependencies, nature's rhythm help in the development of a scientific perspective. We discover another level of study as we move towards the plants and the trees. Biology. In addition to offering shade, the trees transform sunlight into energy through a process called photosynthesis. Their leaves serve as a reminder of the carbon cycle by changing gases with the environment. Pello emphasized how personal exposure to the outdoors helps children acquire ecological literacy by helping them understand how plants and animals live in ecosystems. Also, palm trees with their characteristic fronds swinging in the air stand tall among the park's many trees. These trees can survive high temperatures and highly effective store water since they are well suited to the dry region. Their large feathery leaves maximize photosynthesis while minimizing water loss. The palm tree's capacity to flourish on sandy soils is supported by a strong trunk, which is composed of fiber-rich material. Botany and environmental science concepts are reinforced by seeing these adaptations, which shed light on how plants endure in these harsh conditions. Furthermore, also that palm trees are essential to the environment because they give different bird and insect species food, covers, and shade. Now let's switch our attention to physics. Children experiment with motions and forces as they run, slide, and swing through the park. They are pulled downward by gravity, slowed down by friction, and pushed ahead by motion. Experiential learning such as seeing the push and pull of forces helps children in intuitively integrating complicated scientific concepts, suggested by Pello. Nahda Park serves as an entrance to scientific knowledge in addition to being a place to play. We encounter the basic ideas of biology, physics, earth, and science via observation, investigation, and engagement. We get a greater understanding of the interdependence of all life when we acknowledge our connections to the sky, land, plants, and animals. Science is always at work, whether it is in the complex balance of ecosystems in the park, the way palm trees adapt to the dry environment, or the unseen forces at work in a children's movement or the playground. As educators and learners, it is our responsibility to foster an awe and curiosity in children so they may recognize their place in this huge chain of life. Thank you.